Hello. We are doing math today in our STEAM class. This is Math Day. So I want to show you how to do two digits multiplied times one digit. You may have already figured this out with Miss Hines. I hope you have. But if not, let me show you. We're going to do a little exercise called the exercising cow. And we're going to multiply one digit on the bottom times two digit on the top. And at the bottom, we can check our work by filling in these blanks and answering the question to the riddle. All right, so what I want to do is start with the first one. I'm going to write it on my paper, and then I'm going to show you how to do that. 29 times 6. Okay, so we got 29 times 6. Let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you multiply the bottom number but times each of the top numbers. Then multiply the bottom number, the 6 times the 9. So I draw an arrow from 6 to 9. 6 times 9 is, we know that's 54. And just like in adding, you put the 4 on the bottom and the 5, you carry the 5 because multiplication is fast addition. We could go, we could just do this like 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus blah, blah, blah. But that's too much and that's too slow. Addition is slow, multiplication is fast. So instead of adding 29 6 times, we wanted to multiply it times 6. It makes it easier and faster. So we're going to 6 times 9 is 54. Put the 4 there and the 4 down here and carry the 5. We're going to add the 5. So I'm going to put a little plus sign on top to add the 5. Okay? Now, we did 6 times 9. Now you have to do 6 times 2. So I'm going to draw a little arrow to 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5. That is 17. So put a 1 and a 7 down here as your answer, and your product is 174. Now, at the bottom of the page of the exercising cow, you should find a number that says 174. I found it. It is right there, right there. I'm going to put the letter, what letter was that? Letter A on top of 174. And that helps me answer my riddle at the bottom of the page. That's what we're doing today. It's going to take a long time to find all of those math, do all that multiplication math, and I will help you with that. And then you find the answer at the bottom. I think I've already showed you. Sorry. All right. After that, I want to figure out a factor of 60. So we're going to do that in class, and we'll really talk about that. But I want to figure out what numbers multiply together to make the number 60. I picked 60 because 60 is the clock. We have 60 minutes. We have, in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute. And so I picked the number 60. We know 60 times 1 is 60. So 60 and 1 go together to make 60. What's half of 60? Well, that's 30 because we know 30 minutes is half an hour. So 2 30s is 60. So the number 2 and the number 30 multiply together to make 60. 2 times 30 is 60. 3, does 3 go into 60? Yeah, 3 goes into 6 twice. So 3 goes into 60 20 times. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60. So 3 times 20 is 60. So 3 times 20 is 60. Excuse me. Does 4 go into 60? Well, yeah. 4 goes into 60 15 times. There are 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 60. So 4 times 60, 4 times 15 is 60. What about 5? Well, yeah, of course 5 goes. We can count 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way to 60 and get 5 goes into 60. How many times? 12. 12 times. Oh, because we know that with the clock. You know that you see that there's 12 numbers and each number represents 5 minutes. 12 times 5 is 60. All right. And then 6 times 10, of course, is 60. And I think that's it. I think we've covered them all. All these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 12, 20, 60, and 30 all make 60. That's how you factor 60. I will see you in math.